Friends, welcome to my video. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. So you're interested in embarking on a spiritual journey. Awesome. The world of spirituality is expansive, beautiful, and can bring immense clarity and peace to your life. However, if you've never dipped your toe in these waters before, it can also be somewhat intimidating. Not to worry, though, I'm here to give you a gentle nudge in the right direction. To start off, what is spirituality? In the broadest sense, spirituality is a connection to something bigger than ourselves. It's about seeking purpose, meaning, and an understanding of life that goes beyond the material and the mundane. It's also deeply personal. Your spiritual path might look quite different from your neighbor's, and that's perfectly okay. Alright, let's dive in. How do you start a spiritual journey? Set an intention. Like most things in life, your spiritual journey should start with an intention. What do you hope to gain from this journey? It could be inner peace, a better understanding of your life purpose, enhanced empathy, or perhaps an improved connection with the universe. Your intention should resonate deeply within you, and it's perfectly okay if it changes over time. Cultivate mindfulness. Spirituality is inherently linked to mindfulness. It's about being present in the moment, observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment, and deeply engaging with the world around you. You can start practicing mindfulness through meditation, yoga, or simply by making a conscious effort to be more present in your everyday life. Seek knowledge and understanding. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend lectures, or join communities that resonate with your spiritual interests. There is a wealth of wisdom available out there, from ancient philosophies to modern scientific perspectives on consciousness. Explore and see what resonates with you. Look within. The spiritual journey is as much about understanding the self as it is about understanding the universe. Spend time getting to know yourself. Journal your thoughts and feelings, take long walks alone, and practice self-compassion. This can help you unearth deeply buried emotions and beliefs that may be standing in the way of your spiritual growth. Listen to your intuition. Your intuition is your inner compass. It often knows what's best for you, even when your logical mind does not. Trust it, and let it guide you on your spiritual path. Practice gratitude. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude can open your heart and help you connect with the world in a more meaningful way. It allows you to see the beauty and goodness that's all around you, paving the way for spiritual connection and growth. Be open and patient. Your spiritual journey is not a destination, but a continuous process of growth and discovery. There will be times of insight and times of confusion. Embrace it all. Be open to new ideas and experiences, but also be patient with yourself. Change takes time, and it's okay to take small steps. Find your spiritual practices. This could be anything from meditation, prayer, time spent in nature, creative expression, or service to others. Find practices that help you connect with your inner self and the world around you. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all in spirituality. It's an intensely personal journey, and what works for someone else might not work for you. Stay open, stay curious, and most importantly, stay true to yourself. Embarking on a spiritual journey can be a transformative experience. It can help you discover a deeper sense of purpose, find peace within yourself, and cultivate a deeper connection with the world around you. So go ahead, dip your toes in the water. You might find it's just the journey you've been waiting for.